Welcome to RUD TV. Today we will show you the first weldable and rigid lifting point that can be loaded with maximum working load limit in all force directions.
Here are our ABAs. The ABA is available as boltable and weldable versions. ABA stands for lifting point that can be loaded on all sides. As the name suggests, you may apply the full working load limit in all force directions. At load ring plane, you can even apply a higher load. This information can also be found in the user instructions. The ABA is the perfect alternative to self-made solutions, such as burnt-out tabs. This is because burnt-out tabs usually have no marking and have very thick walls. The ABA always carries the work load limit. It is designed in such a way that a hook with a similar work load limit can be hooked in without any problems. If you take a closer look at the forged part, you will immediately see our patented wear lenses. These are fitted to both inside and outside of our ABA. If the wear has progressed to the lens, the ABA must no longer be used. Another advantage is that the ABA is 100% electromagnetically crack tested. This means that dangerous hairline cracks are excluded. These are especially problematic when there is continuous load.
Thank you very much for your attention. You can find more information on the topic of lifting and moving loads on our website.